Now come to your book and open the page number 8. Rest of the pages are your revision part. So come to page number 8, Introduction to Big Friend Formulas. That we already learned. Introduction of big friends. Come to your page number 11, Addition and Subtraction of Big Friend Formulas. Here sums are there, formula is there. We will solve the sums through with for these two formulas. Plus 9. The formula of plus 9 is minus 1 plus 10. So now firstly check that your back scale is clear. Yes, it is clear now. Now first sum is add 9. So we have to add 9. So upper bead unit place side with the help of index finger we have to add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is added. Now minus 5. It means we have to remove 5. 5 is removed. Add 9. Add 9. But how we can add? Beads are not here. So what is the formula of adding 9? Minus 1 plus 10. Firstly we have to remove 1. 1 removed, add 10 with the help of 10 is here, 10's place, lower bead value, each bead is having 10 value, 10 is added, 1 removed firstly, 10 is added. Now how many beads are touching with answer line? 10's place 1 bead, it means 10 and unit place 3 beads, 10 plus 3 is 13. What is your answer? 13. Now come to your second sum. Firstly check that the bracket scale is clear. If it is not clear then clear it. Then add 4. Firstly add 4 with the help of thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is added. Add 9. We have to add 9. But the beads are not here. So what we will do? Apply the formula. So what is the formula of adding 9? Minus 1 plus 10. We have to remove 1 first. So with the help of index finger, 1 is removed. Add 10. 10 is a second, 10th place. So we have to add 1 bead with the help of thumb. So how many? 9 is added. So what is the value here? 10, 13. Now again 9 we have to add. But beads are not here. So what we will do? Again the formula minus 1 plus 10. Firstly we have to remove 1 with the help of index finger. Then add 10. So now check that how many beads are touching with the answer line. 2 from 10's place, 2 from 1's place. So 10 plus 10, 20, 21, 22. What is the answer? 22. Now come to your third sum. 82. Firstly clear your back scale. 82. It means 50, 60, 70, 80. 2 indicates unit place. 2. 82 is added. Then 91. 91. So this is a unit place formula. So if we want to add 10's place formula, then behind 10 we have to keep minus 10. What will be the formula? Minus 10 plus 100. Behind 10 we have to keep 0 is here. What is the formula? 0 plus 9 is equal to minus 1 plus 10. So behind 10 we have to keep plus 90. It will become plus 90 is equal to minus 10 plus 100. So 91. 90 we cannot add because only 10 is here and 10 is here. So what we will do? Minus 10 plus 100. Third, this indicates unit place, this indicates 10's place and this indicates 100 place. So add 100 minus 10. Firstly we removed 1 b, 10 and then add 100. That is added. 90 is added, then 1 is added. Then minus 10. Now 10 we have to remove. 10 removed. Then 29 we have to add. 29. 10, 29. Can we add 9? No, because only one single bead and 5 is here. So we have to apply this formula. Add 9 is equal to minus 1 plus 10. Minus 1 with the help of index finger plus 10. So count these beads. How many beads are touching with answer line? From here 2 beads, from here over the 9 and from here 1. So what is the answer? 192. What is the answer? 192. Now clear your back scale. This is the formula related to plus 9. Now next formula is plus 8. How we can add 8? What is the formula? Minus 2 plus 10. Now firstly add 2 with the help of thumb. 2 is added. Again add 2. 2 is added. Now again add 8. Can we add 8? No, because beads are not here. So here we will apply this formula. Addition 8 is equal to minus 2 plus 10. So 2 beads we have to remove and 10 we have to add. So with the help of index finger, 2 removed and add 10. This bead indicates 10. So how many beads are touching with the answer line? From unit place 2 beads are touching and tens place 1 bead is touching. So what is the answer? 1, 2. Now second sum, add 8. 8 is a butterfly number, so together we have to add 8 is added. Minus 6. 6 is also a butterfly number, so we have to remove 6. 6 is removed. Now add 8. Can we add 8? No, because only 2 beads are here. We have to add 8. So we have to apply the formula here. Addition 8. What is the formula? Minus 2 plus 10. So firstly remove 2. 1, 2. Then add 10. How many beads are touching with the answer line? Only 1. Tens place single bead is touching. So what is the answer here? 10. These are the two formulas, plus 9 or plus 8. And tens place formula is behind. You have to keep 1 0. Tens place formula of plus 80 is equal to minus 20 plus 100. Now your next formula is plus 7. Minus 3 plus 10 plus 6 is equal to minus 4 plus 10. This is on page number 16 and 15. Page number 15. So sums are there: 7, 4, 7, 2, 8, 7, 3. Now related to 6, sum is 4, 6, 8, 1, 8, 6. So come to first sum, add 4. Firstly we have to clear the back scale. Now add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is added? Yes. Now add 7. Can we add 7 here? No, because already all the 4 beads we have added. So for adding 7 we have to apply the formula. So formula should be knowing. Plus 7 is equal to minus 3 plus 10. Firstly we have to remove 3, then add 10. Firstly 3 beads को हमें remove करना है, then 10 को मीन्स जिस बीड की वैल्यू 10 है उसको ऐड करना है. तो 3 को रिमूव करो. 3 इज रिमूव्ड. ऐड 10 बिकॉज सेकंड रॉड के जो बीड्स हैं उनके ईच बीड की वैल्यू क्या है? 10. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर एडिंग दिस बीड. सो रिमूव्ड 3, ऐड 10. सो ऐड 2. 1, 2. हाउ मेनी बीड्स आर टचिंग विद आंसर लाइन? 1 फ्रॉम टेंस प्लेस, 3 फ्रॉम यूनिट प्लेस. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? 13. Now come to your second sum. Firstly clear your back scale. Then plus 8. 8 is a butterfly number. So together we have to add 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is added. Then add 7. Apply the formula. Plus 7, what is the formula? Minus 3 plus 10. So firstly we have to remove 3 and add 10. So remove 3 with the help of index finger. 3 is removed. 10 add. Now 3, add 3. We have to add 3. 1, 2 and 3. how many beads are touching? 1 from tens place and 1 upper bead and 3 lower beads from the unit place. So what is the answer? 18. Now next formula is plus 6 is equal to minus 4 plus 10. So add 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is added. Now 6. We have to add 6. 6 we cannot add because here bead is not here. Upper bead is here but lower bead we need. Upper bead value is 5 and one lower bead value is 1. So together we are adding to make 6. But one lower bead is not here. So we have to apply the formula here. Plus 6. What is the formula? Minus 4 plus 10. 4 beads we have to remove first. Then we have to add 10 value bead. So 4 beads we are going to remove. 4 is removed and 10 we are going to add. 10 is added. Now 8. Add 8. Can we add 8? Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. How many beads are touching with the answer line? 10, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18. So what is the answer here? 18. Now your last sum is 1. Firstly we have to add 1. 1 is added. Then 8. 8 we can add. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is added. Then 6. Beads are not here. So we have to apply the formula. Plus 6. What is the formula? Minus 4 plus 10. Firstly we have to remove minus 4. Means 4 beads we have to remove. And after that we have to add that bead whose value is 10. So 4 beads removed. Then add tens place 1 bead. So how many beads are touching with line? 1 from the tens place and 1 from the unit place. Upper bead. So what is the value? 15. So write here 15. So next formula is here. Plus 5. What is the formula? Minus 5 plus 10. So first sum is plus 8. Firstly we have to add 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is added? Yes. Now again add 5. 5 can we add? Only one bead is here. No. So we have to apply the formula. So what is the formula for adding 5? Minus 5 plus 10. 5 firstly we have to remove, add 10. Then add 6. Can we add 6? Yes. 5 plus 1, 6. How many beads are touching with the answer line? 1 from tens place and all the 9 from the unit place. What is the answer? 19. Now firstly clear your abacus scale and come to second sum. Second sum is add 2. Firstly we have to add 2. 2 is added? Yes. Add 5. We can easily add 5. Then add 5. Now can we add 5? No, because already 5 is added. So apply the formula. We have to remove 5 or add 10. Remove 5, add 10. How many beads are there? 1 from the tens place and 2 from the unit place. What is the answer? 12. Clear the abacus scale? Now come to your next formula. Plus 4. What is the formula? Minus 6 plus 10. Sum is here. First sum is 3. Add 3 with the help of thumb. 3 is added. Add 5. 5 with the help of index finger. 5 is added. Then 4. Can we add 4 here? No, because only one bead is here. We need 3 more beads. So we have to apply the formula here. Plus 4. What is the formula? Minus 6 plus 10. So firstly we have to remove 6. So 6. Then 5 is removed. 1 is removed. 6 is removed. Add 10. So 10 place, add 1 bead. 10 is added. So how many beads are there? 1 from the tens place and 2 from the unit place. What is the answer? 12. Now next sum is, firstly clear your abacus scale. Next sum is add 5. Firstly we have to add 5 with the help of index finger. Then add 3 with the help of thumb. Then add 4. Can we add 4? No, because only single bead is here left. So we have to apply the formula minus 6 plus 10. Firstly we have to remove 6. So 6, it means how we can remove 6? 1 upper bead, 5, remove it and 1 lower bead. Then add 10. So 10 add. How many beads are touching with the answer line? 1 from tens place and 2 from the unit place. So what is the answer? 12. This is all about your plus 5 and plus 4 formulas. Now your next formula is plus 3. What is the formula? Minus 7 plus 10 and plus 2. What is the formula? Minus 8 plus 10. This is on your book page number 27. Five, 2, 3, 7, 3, 1. Here on page number 27, then FG is written. FG, ES and VIS. FG means finger gym. Finger gym means solve on fingers and write the answer in the box. And abacus. AS means abacus scale. Solve the sum on abacus scale. And third one, VIS means visualization. Means you have to solve the sum in your mind. And after finger gym, 3 boxes are there. You have to write the answer through finger gym and write in first box. Then through abacus scale, write the answer in box. Through visualization, write the answer in box. Every time answer will be same. So we are going through abacus scale. That finger gym and visualization is clear to you, me hope so. Then now 7 plus 3 plus 1. Next, plus 2 formula is on your page number 29. But first number 8, 2, 1, 6, 2, 2. Now come to first formula. Add 3. Firstly, add 5. Clear your abacus scale. Scale is clear. Yes, add 5. With the help of index finger, 5 is added. Now add 2. 2 added. Now add 3. Can we add 3? No, because only 2 beads are left. We need 3 beads. So what we will do? We will apply this formula here. What is the formula of adding 3? Minus 7 plus 10. So we have to remove 7. 7, 5, 6, 7. 7 is removed. 10 we have to add. 10 added. Now, what is the answer? How many beads are touching with line? Only 1 bead tens place. So what is the value of 1 bead tens place? 10. So that is the answer. Now come to your second sum. Firstly clear your abacus scale. Now add 7. Firstly we have to add 7. 5, 6, 7. Add 3. Can we add 3? No. Only 2 beads are left. So we have to apply again the formula. What is the formula? Minus 7 plus 10. So minus 7 plus 10. 10 is added. Now 1 we have to add. How many beads are touching with the answer line? 1 from tens place, 1 from unit place. What is the answer? 11. Now your next formula, plus 2 is equal to minus 8 plus 10. So firstly your first sum is add 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. It is added. Then add 2. Can we add 2? No, because only one single bead is here. So we have to apply the formula. Minus 8 plus 10. We have to remove firstly 8. 8 is removed. Add 10. 10 is added. Then 1. Add 1. How many beads are touching with the answer line? 1 from tens place and 1 from unit place. So what is the value of tens place? 10 and unit place 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. So write here 11. Clear it. Second sum is add 6. 6 is a butterfly number. 6 is added. Add 2. Add 2. Again add 2. We have to add 2. Can we add 2? No, because single bead is left. So we have to apply the formula. What is the formula? Minus 8 plus 10. So firstly we have to remove 8. 8. 1, 2, 3 and 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is removed. Now add 10. 10 we have to add. How many beads are touching? Only 1 tens place. So what is the answer? 10. This is your formula related to plus 2 is equal to minus 8 plus 10. Only one formula is left, that is plus 1. What is the formula of plus 1? That is minus 9 plus 10. This is on your page number 31. Page number 31. Okay, now sums are there. 5, 4, 1. 9, 1, 8. Now, firstly we have to add 5. Clear it. Now it is clear. Add 5. 5 is added. Now add 4. 4 is added. Now add 1. Can we add 1? No. Bead is not here. So what we have to do? We have to apply the formula. So what is the formula of adding 1 in big friend? Minus 9 plus 10. So firstly we have to remove 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 removed. Add 10. So we have to add 10. 10 is added. So what is the answer? How many beads are touching with the answer line? Only one bead in the tens place. So what is the answer? 10. So clear it. Next sum is add 9. Firstly we have to add 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 is added. Add 1. Can we add 1? No. Again we have to apply the formula. So what is the formula? Minus 9 plus 10. So firstly we have to remove 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 is removed. Then add 10. 10's place 1 bead. 9 plus 1 is 10. So next number is 8. So add 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many beads are touching with answer line? 1 from the tens place and 4 beads from the unit place. 1 is upper bead, value is 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. Then 16, 17 and 18. What is your answer? 18. Okay, this is all about your big friend formula, and there are mainly 18 formulas are there. 9 formulas containing plus sign and 9 formulas containing negative sign, but in your book only plus containing formulas are there. This is all about your book. Only 2 or 3 topics are left. We will do in the next video. So this book you have to solve at home. Thank you.